Hey guys, it's me. I was trying to do a video, but Eric's in the freezer. It's me, Nikkie B, and you're having dinner with
us.
Tonight we're having firecracker oven fried chicken. Firecracker chicken. Firecracker. So good, so good. Firecracker. Get your hand out of the way, please. Thank you. Firecracker chicken, guys. What do you... Get on. The struggle is real, but the journey is worth it. Firecracker chicken, guys. OMG. All I did was use brown sugar, balsamic vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, and hot sauce. Oven fried black pepper chicken. Not black pepper, sorry, see, he messed me up. Oven fried firecracker chicken, guys. Look at that, and it's veggies. Because I don't have a carb diet, I'm on a low carb diet, I just did veggies. And for the coating, guys, I used chickpea flour and flaxseed. Chickpea flour with flaxseed. OMG. This looks amazing, heavenly, and it tastes divine. The struggle is real, but the journey is worth it. Love you guys.